Welcome to Smart School Kids Zone, your favorite school. Today's topic is was and where for class 1. So let's see where we have to use was and where. Okay? Before that, हमने लास्ट वीडियो में एक क्वेश्चन पूछा था, ऐसा कौन सा ड्राइवर है जिसको लाइसेंस की ज़रूरत नहीं है? विच ड्राइवर डज नॉट नीड अ लाइसेंस? और उसका आंसर है इट्स अ स्क्रू ड्राइवर। स्क्रू ड्राइवर को लाइसेंस की ज़रूरत नहीं होती है। और सही जवाब दिए है जिया शाही और विधि भरनुके ने। थैंक्स अ लॉट। इस वीडियो के अंत में भी हम एक प्रश्न पूछने वाले हैं जिसका जवाब आपको कमेंट में देना है। अगर आपका जवाब सही होगा तो हम नेक्स्ट वीडियो में आपका भी नाम अनाउंस करेंगे। तो करते हैं हमारे एक्चुअल वीडियो को शुरुआत। Before that, you just go ahead and check our site smartschool.infolips.com, and you can check our educational Android game and craft channel, which links are given in the description. So let's continue. Was and where. Let's learn the basic rule to use was and where. First rule, we use was and where to say something that has already happened. Means that action is already done in the past. For that purpose, we have to use was or where. Okay. So first rule is that action is happened in the past. Next rule, was is used after I, he, she, and it. So there are very clear rules. So was is used after the I, he, she, and it. Similarly, where is used after we. Means it's a when it is singular, that time we have to use was, and when it is plural, that time we have to use where, like we, you, and they. Let's see. Next rule, was is used to talk about one person, one place, one animal, one bird, or one thing. Similar, where is used to talk about more than one person, places, animals, birds, and things. Okay. So these are the simple rule. You have to understand that first is that action is happened in the past, and second one is was is used to singular person or singular things, and where is used to plural person or plural things. Okay. So let's see some example. Let's see some examples how to use was. See there is picture. The boy is thinking when he was a baby. So what he will say? I was a kid. What? I was a kid. Okay. Let's say next example. See, that girl is also thinking when she was kid. So what that boy will say? She was a kid too. Means in the past she was a kid. Now she is a girl. Okay. So like this, that action is happened in the past. For that purpose, and in singular person we use was. Okay. Let's understand when we have to use where. Let's see some example how to use was. It was green. See this tomato. This tomato is red, right? But before it became a complete tomato, it was green. That's why we have said that it was green, because in the past the tomato was green. Now it is ripe and complete became a red tomato. Let's see some examples about how to use where. See this example, boy and girl are there, and we were playing in the garden earlier. Means they are discussing, and that boy said we were playing, because that action is happened in the past, and then they said about the past happened actions. Means we were playing in the garden earlier. Means already it action is happened before today. That's why we use were, and it is more than two person. That's why he said we were. Okay. If it is one person, then it would be I was playing in the garden earlier. Okay. Let's see one more example about where. See, they were dancing yesterday. Means that action has happened when? Yesterday. That's why he said they were. Means these two guys were dancing yesterday. So action is happened in the past, and these persons or any things or any objects are more than one, that time we use where. Okay, I hope you understand this concept when we have to use was and where. Okay, so let's test time. See, first question. Daddy dash happy in the party. Daddy was happy in the party because daddy is one person, and when it is one we say was. Second question. Boy and girl dash on the seesaw yesterday. So in this sentence there are two persons, one is boy and one is girl, so that's why we will use where. Perfect. Let's see. Rahul dash sick last week. Again there is one person only, Rahul, so we will use was. I hope you are understand and enjoying, right? Let's see another questions. My friends dash invited me to picnic. Now see there, in this sentence there is person who my friends, not friend. It's a friends, that's why we will use where, right? Okay, one more question. The ball dash found in the garden. The ball means there is thing, but it is one, so we will put was, right? And here is last question. They dash late to school. Now in this sentence they means more than one, right? So more than one, it will be where. Okay, they were late to school. Okay, like this, as per the sentence and how many nouns are there, we will use was and where accordingly. Okay, I hope you guys understand this very well. If you don't, then go back and check this video again and make sure that this concept should be clear. Okay, thanks friend. Okay, it's time to question now. Which two things we cannot eat at breakfast? Think again. Which two things that we cannot eat at breakfast? ऐसी कौन सी दो चीजें हैं जो हम नाश्ते में नहीं खा सकते हैं? और give this answer in our comment box. We will announce your name in our next video. So see you in the next video. Till then, bye. We will meet you again like this similar type of educational videos. If you like this video, then please click the like button, comment it, share it, and if you are new to our channel, please subscribe it and click the bell icon. So see you in the next video. Till then, bye. Thanks for watching. Happy learning.